My kitchen and dining room have slowly been getting away from me, so today we're finally getting everything back under control. Let's get it all done. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are giving my kitchen and dining room a complete reset because they are definitely in need of one. So I've been keeping up with the daily tasks, but they haven't really been deep cleaned. So it's time to get that done. So I noticed the other day that the top of my stove and where you turn the burners on and stuff, it really needed wiped down. I'm really good about cleaning the burners. However, the rest of it I am not. So I saw that and I'm like, yep, that needs to be added to the kitchen reset. So I'm going ahead and doing that. Fun fact, our house came with a bunch of manuals for different appliances, and our stove I'm pretty sure is from 1999, and I don't really have any complaints with it. I mean, it's not the newest greatest latest model, but I don't hate it. I don't like that it's white. It could be black or stainless steel like the rest of our things, but if we don't have a problem, why replace it? But it does need a good wipe down. So I was laying in bed the other night and I'm like, I haven't cleaned ceiling fans in a minute. So that's what I'm doing here in the dining room. However, it was not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's one of those things that it's above my head, and so I just don't think about it. I'm not looking up all the time. And honestly, I always forget we have this one, so it hardly gets turned on, but I did turn it on today because it's just a little warm in the house, and I don't feel like we need to turn the air down by any means, but a little airflow would be nice. So I did go ahead and turn that on, and then I showed you guys the paper towels because I didn't know if you could see on camera when I showed you the dirt. So I went ahead and did that, and then I'm gonna clean off my dining table now, even though it was kind of already clean, but I just cleaned the ceiling fan above it, so I'm just gonna give it a good wipe down. And next up, the coffee bar needed a good wipe down. This gets wiped, a couple days, daily, I don't know. But however, moving the machines and stuff, that does not happen every day. So I'm just moving the machines, getting those dusted, and then restocking the coffee, just giving it a good wipe down. This Nespresso pod holder that I'm restocking right now, my dad actually 3D printed that for me. I highly recommend if you have a 3D printer and you have an Nespresso machine, it is awesome. It just sits right there. It's easy to refill and see how much you have left. Okay, let me tell you about my experience cleaning this microwave today. I scared the crap out of myself, or somebody did, I don't know. So I was like all up in there cleaning it, and I kid you not, like I felt and heard somebody walk up behind me, and I fully like turned around expecting to see my son standing there. There was nobody there. Like it freaked me out so bad. I was like, I don't even want to finish this. And like, fun fact again, our house is haunted, or at least that's what I think, because I hear things all the time and I'm like, ooh, you know. Normally it's fine, but that, I don't know, that really got me. Like you turn around and expect to see somebody standing there, and there's nobody standing there, nobody near you. Oh my gosh, it freaked me out so bad. But now on to the dishes, and boy do we have some dishes. So I hope you guys enjoy some, you know, dish motivation, because I definitely have some for you. Also, yes, I need new baking sheets. They've seen better days.
Not even drink, wanna get out of my own head, wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got, put on a dress, be a stranger's dream, lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your vanity, wanna wear it to sleep tonight, wanna wipe our slate clean, wanna pick this thing up right where we left off, wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. Soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Two things can be true. Two things can be true.
I never thought I'd fly over my own state. Something about those city lights were calling out my name. Now mama, don't you cry, you know there'll come a day where I come visit you at home. And if I never stay, the same old worn out welcome sign with population getting by, crossing that county line brings back the good old days, with the same old station on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise, watching that midnight sky you don't see in LA. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same.
I want to hear from you guys. What is a cleaning product that you will forever buy because it works, you swear by it? Mine would have to be the pink stuff, like the paste that I'm using here to clean the sink. It works so well, and it is like the only thing I have found that gets my porcelain sink like sparkling white again. So let me know down in the comments below, what is your guys' favorite, you know, cleaning product that you swear by, you will purchase till the end of time.
Sure did feel like fame. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same. Thought these freeways led to freedom. Thought I'd leave and find my way. But when this big map tide breaks me down, I go back to the place where the same old worn out welcome sign with population getting by. Crossing that county line brings back the good old days. The same old station on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise. Watching that midnight sky that makes me wanna stay. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same.
And then in a minute, you're gonna see me drop a garbage disposal cleaner pod in there. I just noticed, like, it is kind of gross. So I'm just gonna get it cleaned up. I like to do that, you know, a couple times a month, or just when I really notice that it's pretty gross.
I got my head in a cloud so high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to.
And it was a sad day yesterday. My sunglasses, I was driving, talking to my dad, took them off just to like clean the lens real quick, and yeah, they just like disintegrated in my hand. Granted, they are like 10, 11 years old, but still, like, they were my favorite. But oh well, I have another favorite pair too.
Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds a flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest till now. The stars are down like.
So I am going to use my Shark like wet vacuum on the floors. However, I'm just vacuuming the rugs first because I feel like, well, first off, you can't run the wet vac on them, I don't think, and second, I just want to get them like a little extra clean, and then I'm gonna shake them out, pick them up, and then I will run the wet vac.
Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky
If you enjoyed spending time with me today, I'd love to have you here. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future cleaning, homemaking, and mom life videos. And if you found this video helpful or motivating, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye!